I would say, first and foremost, the ability to learn is always a foundational skill. The idea that you will always need to be learning new ideas, new methodologies, new workflows is foundational in the tech industry when everything moves so very quickly. Beyond that, it's important to have an understanding of where your passion lies and what sorts of things you want to be doing, such as programming, design, art, or trying all of them, and seeing really where your passion lies and where you want to excel. And I think, honestly, those two things will carry you the rest of the way. In terms of the next few years with Unity, obviously there's a lot unknown right now because the tech industry always moves so very quickly. But for now, and in the foreseeable future, we're focusing very heavily on our AI tools to enable developers. We're focusing very much on our graphical features to help everyone build the game that visually they want to make. And we're looking at quality of life, speed of iteration, code foundational things, as well as enhanced platform tools to help people bring their games, their creations, to as many players as possible.
So I've been at Unity for a long time, and I think we've always said, use the right tool for the job. That being said, as an advocate for Unity, I want you to use Unity. I love our community. We have the largest community out there, the largest number of users. I also feel the most passion. Anytime I go to user groups or community events, there's just so much passion in the room. I go to hackathons, go to game jams, and you just see so many folks interacting, and everybody has something to offer, whether you're a developer, whether you're an artist, whether you're a sound engineer. There's just always that great synergy. And so again, use the right tool for the job, but I think Unity is probably the easiest to use. There's the most knowledge out there. You can hop on the internet and search community forums, ask chatbots, and really just get a great answer for just about every question you ask because there's so many people out there using Unity. That's a great question. So as someone whose job it is to literally travel around the world, to do events, to visit with the community, there's just, again, so much passion. And it's the one thing I really love about our community is you go to these hackathons and there's people that literally for 48 hours, they're working 40 of those hours on their game. They're just so dedicated to what they're doing, what they're focused on, and they can deliver. In 48 hours, you can have a prototype or even a working game just with a small group of 1, 2, 3 people. And it's just a joy to see people get together like that, or to come to something like we had today, a user group where 40 or 50 people got together. We got to answer some questions, got to visit a new community, and just get the community connected so that hopefully they stay connected, they stay bonded. When we come back, hopefully we see all those smiling faces again and they show us new games that they've made, new creations, new prototypes. And as far as schools go, again, it's the most widely used game engine out there. There's the most students, the most developers, and just such a passionate group of instructors. We have a really big focus at Unity on education. We have an entire department that creates tools and curriculums and online portals that they can go to just to learn, to teach that to their students. And it's just a great place to thrive if you're a young student learning how to make a video game.